for watching my channel, Yoga with Indian Yogi. Today I brought a very nice topic, which is yoga for flexibility. Yoga for flexibility you may achieve in so many ways. So when we talk about flexibility, we are working back, arms. So we have to include few postures which are specifically for flexibility. So first I will go with a very nice posture for beginners, yoga for beginners. In this first posture, we will practice the tree pose. In the tree, you just become straight. You settle one of the foot on your ankle or your knee or the thigh. This practice. And I would please request you, please stay there. Please be patient. You will find very interesting things. First, your settlement. When your body is settled, you lift up the arms. You go all the way up. Prakshasana or the tree pose. It works for your legs. It works for your lower back. It works for your upper body. Now, I will go ahead. Please stay there. Second posture. Only two postures and you may achieve your flexibility. The second one, Shiva dancing pose or the dancing pose. Just take your leg 2 to 3 feet on the top. Shift your weight here. Settle this leg. You lift up your leg. You're using your lower back. You bend your knee. You just grab your knee or the big toe and you settle this hand on the front. What happens? Flexibility for your lower back. As you come back, settle both sides here. Imagine, within two postures, you just practice and you may improve your flexibility. Thank you for watching my channel. And please, if you did not subscribe. If you did not like, please like for my motivation. Thank you.